All right, well, we had a little bit of a crash, but it didn't seem to really. It really didn't seem to make a difference to what I'm doing. So let's see if we can. There's the little prick. He seems to have found some new buds. So we're gonna. There he goes. You can see him swimming. I don't know where he's gonna pop up at, but well, we see a batch of good stuff down here. Okay. You see that? So we'll go down here and see what's happening with the party here. So I'm about 20 feet up, and there just looks, just a mess of stuff. And you could hear that they're not real happy with me. So we're going to fly, but you can see this is where they're all parked. Oh, it's interesting. I just had a little bit of a disturbance on the visual feed I have from the wireless. I'm sure the video you guys will be seeing will be fine. So, and it's just a matter of seeing what's up there and what's doing. So let's see what we can see about the ice. So you can see where the ice starts again. And I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, you see they're doing the thing on the ice. I'm not too sure I can get that far over there, but I'll see what I can do. So I'm 170 feet up in the air. You may be able to see that when I post this. I'm going to go as far as I can. But like I say, I'm already 1,500 feet away from my location. I'm going to see how far they let me go. Actually, my radio signal seems halfway decent. Oh, they're going to puke at me now. Alright, so I'm going to take this back home. So anyways, from the kayaking perspective, whew, I probably should try to find a way home. I'm going to bring it down because, to be honest, I'm not sure where I'm at. There we go. Yeah, so I was. Well, we'll have to see where they thought I was, because right now it's. There we go. We're finally in range. That was a little bit scary. There's a lot of magnetic interference over there, so I got to go to the other side of the lake if I want to play over there. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to stay in my neck of the woods today, I guess. And you can see I'm going to come in on these bad boys. There's a whole party of them. So there's just a whole mess of stuff. And I'll look at them when I take it back in and process. But yeah, this will definitely make for round 2. You can just see just a lot of neat stuff to play with. So, but everyone's getting busy doing their thing. I think everyone's happy. Looks like. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer. I'm about 20 feet. Wind's blowing me around a little bit. I can't tell what that is. I'm kind of flying instruments right now because it's pretty bright out and I don't have my goggles on to see what's going on. But I do see lots of small shapes intermixed with the big ones. And like I say, the ducks are pretty quick to fly. But it looks like everyone's pretty quick to fly today. So I'm going to get up. I'm going to figure out where I'm at. Get a little higher. Visit some of the other areas. Again, I'm now back down to about 30, 20 feet. I kind of go in between. Just because, yeah, you can hear them. And again, too, I got a lot of traffic all over the place. There's a good chance that the damn birds may hit my stuff. So it does make for some neat video. But I'm going to bring it back in because I say I already had a close call today. And I'm going to just ease on. Oh, look. I'm just looking to see. I can't tell if that's just weeds. That looks like it's just weeds. That's all right. So I'm going to do it, and you can hear my guys are getting a little. So if you look, there is a squawker right below us somewhere. Right on the ice. There he is. So that's the guys you're hearing right there. So, but it's kind of nice listening to all this stuff at night. They're pretty noisy all day. And like I say, they're definitely not happy with me flying over their heads, so I won't bother them too much. And then what we're going to do, because like I say, I took a pretty big header here. And I probably shouldn't be landing on the table. So, you think I would learn from my mistakes. I'm going to try to set down kind of nice. Sounds good. That was good.